Hey, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials and Billy Chang from Dragon Discord Studios, and welcome back to Building a Computer. So we are finished here. We're going to be doing some extra little cable management stuff, getting it up out of the airflow,
and like a little bit of extra feedback from. Like,
yeah. So we're gonna review the build and see what we would have done differently if we had to do it a second time.
Besides the whole angle thing.
Yeah, besides the angle. So we fixed that problem. We have them both installed back there at the bottom. And seems like everything else is pretty good. So I'm going to show you guys a couple cable management things. Even though this case is definitely a good budget case, it doesn't have any options of routing cables behind the motherboard, as it looks like it's pretty small.
Well, it is. I like to think compact.
Yeah, so it's pretty a compact case, as the cable management that go around the side isn't very big. But if Billy ever wanted to change that, he could just unplug it, take it off of his, take everything, unplug everything that he had plugged in, and then redo the cables, as everything is already still installed. And then maybe at the same time, he would want to go to an aftermarket cooler, and then install all that and fix that all at the same time.
Hot as in the computer as it's over here, it's gonna be.
Or add any other extra fans that he would want.
This looks like it has a lot of fans on it already.
Yeah, it's got two here, and then one here, and then but you could install one here in the front, so you could add an extra two. All right, so we're gonna try to choose our two zip tie locations very, very resourcefully. So here we have our I/O. Yeah, so here we have our I/O pins, and one place that I think that we could do it is, yeah, so like go through the side here. Actually, no, Billy, start here, put it through here first, because then you could actually get it around.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, so put it through there first, and then come around the side.
All right.
Yeah, so now Billy put it through one of the holes to get it to fit, and now we're just gonna go ahead and zip tie it to where we want it.
Is that good?
Yeah, so now we have those up and out of the way, and a lot of these other cables are pretty well, I mean, basically as good as you're going to be able to get them. So we have a couple pieces here that are pretty out of the way, but not super duper. So we have some of those ties here that we're going to re-tie up some of these fan cables.
We should be okay,
they're taut.
Right?
This one's okay, this one's not so much okay. So let's go ahead and get this to where it's crinkled up. And
that maybe?
Yeah, so
go
ahead.
Hold that down. I think he's working on the wires is okay because I'm not touching the motherboard, right?
No.
Like that?
Yeah, so that's fine. So that's going to go right back here. It's nice and out of the way. Goes straight down. All our fans are plugged in. Our power supply is plugged in. Our hard drives are plugged in.
Actually, maybe I should tighten this up just a little bit so it's tight like that, right?
Yeah, you should be fine. The other thing that I would do is try to go through this fan hole here, so you can keep it up there. But
I can do like.
So while Billy's doing that, we're gonna go ahead and talk about the final thoughts. So the thing here is that it would definitely be a lot cleaner if you had a lot of. If you had a lot of graphics cards...
It came out. Can you help me get it?
Where is it? Oh, okay.
Sorry, you gotta be careful with these.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, you're gonna need to help me. I can't do that. Oh!
What happened?
It fell. Alright, so then I just try to loop. First I'm gonna see how tight I can get. Like, right there is fine, right?
Yeah.
And then I do that, right?
Okay, yeah.
Just make sure if you're touching the motherboard, you get one of these ground cables that we were talking about.
Yeah, definitely want to do that. Okay, Billy, go ahead and look.
That's good, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so anything in review that you want to talk about, Billy?
I feel like this would be good, except by maybe like if you want...
You might want to go like maybe a larger case with more wire management things, especially if you have more than one graphics card, because I've noticed a case this size with more than one graphics card gets very hectic very quickly.
When you upgrade it, you'll do that when you upgrade, right?
Yeah, I mean, you could run it, it will work, but, once you have fans that are going across, as you see here, we don't have very many fans that are going from here. So once we have something here, because we don't have any fans that are pushing air from here to here, we don't really have to worry about any of these cables.
Yeah.
But this case is very open. It has mesh all in the front. It has this 120 here. It's got or 140 here. Possibly a 140 here at the bottom if Billy wanted to do that. And also a possibility of a 120 up here against the face somewhere. I think I saw.
Yeah.
Somewhere. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and button this guy up. And we'll have a video of it sitting down and booting up. Alright, so this has been Steven from LegitTechTutorials and Billy Chang from Dragon Discord Studios. We'd like to thank you for watching and stay tuned for our first boot up, and maybe Billy wants to do some benchmarks for you guys that are thinking about getting some similar hardware so you could see the performance.
Alright.
Alright, so thanks for watching and check us out in the next video. Take it
Okay.
easy. Peace.
Thanks.